Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over lattice multiplication. So this is another way to do multiplication and is especially helpful for larger numbers when it gets a little confusing and messy. This helps keep everything organized. So let's get started with a pretty simple example. Let's just have a 2-digit by 1-digit. So let's start off by drawing our lattice. So we have a square for each digit, and then we're going to fill them in with the respective products. So let's look at this first square here and say, what's 6 times 2? That's 12. And then what is 6 times 1? That is 6. So our next step here with lattice multiplication is going from the bottom section upwards diagonally. We will be filling in the digits here to find our final answer. So 2 plus nothing is 0. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 0 plus nothing is 0. So our final answer here is 72, is equal to 12 times 6. So let's step it up with a harder version of the same idea. This time, let's do 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So this time we have 82 times 25. So let's get started by drawing our box with our lines. And let's fill these boxes in now. Let's start in the top right. We have 2 times 2, that's 4. Then we have 2 times 5, that's 10. 2 times 8 is going to be 16. And 8 times 5 is 40. So now for lattice multiplication, to get our final answer of 82 times 25, we have to add up the sum for each of these spaces. So starting with our lowest line and going horizontal, not horizontally or vertically, going up to the left, up and to the left, we have starting off with 0 plus nothing is 0. And then we have 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we have 0 plus 6 plus 4, which is 10. And in this case, we're going to take the ones place digit and add the tens place to the next square up here. So now we have 1 plus 1, and that is 2. So our final answer here is 2050, is equal to 82 times 25. So let's do another one like that. Let's have 27 times 99. Draw our lattice, and now let's fill it in. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 9 is 63 again. 2 times 9 is 18, and 2 times 9 again is 18. So now that we have it filled up, we just want to find our final answers. So 3 plus nothing is 3. Now let's look at this column. We have 3 plus 6 is 9. And then 9 plus 8 is 17. So we take the ones place here and move tens place up. So then we have 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. And then 15 plus 1 is 16. So we'll put our 6 from the ones place of the 16 here and carry the 1. And then we have 1 plus 1 is 2. So our final answer of 27 times 99 is equal to 2,673. All right. So let's make it a little harder again. And now we're going to be working with a 2x3 matrix. So now we're trying to figure out what is 68 times 528. So we're just going to start by drawing our lattice. And let's fill it in. So we have 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 8 is 64, and now 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 8 is 48. So once again, all we have to do is add up these columns and carry the ones as necessary. Which we will have to do more often as we get into larger lattices. So starting off from our bottom right corner, we have 4 plus nothing is 4. And then we have 6 plus 6 is 12. And then 12 plus 8 is 20. So ones placed down here and carry the 2. So we have 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. And then we have 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 is going to get us 5, and then 3 plus nothing is 3. So our final answer for 68 times 528 is, oops, sorry. Picking up my pen very well. We get that that is equal to 35,904. Let's do one more example like that. Another 2x3. So 47 times 347 this time. So draw our matrix. Add the lines. This isn't the prettiest matrix, sorry about that. So let's fill it in. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. And 7 times 7 is 49. And then we have 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 times 7 is 28. So now let's add up each of these columns and see what we get. 9 plus nothing is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then 12 plus 8 is 20. So put the 0 down there and carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then 11 plus 2 is 13. So then we have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we have 1 plus nothing, so that's just 1. So we get that 47 times 347 is equal to 16,309. So I hope these examples helped clear up what lattice multiplication looks like and give you some examples to go off of. Have a good one.